Hi guys, this is Katie from Salty Pearl Crochet. Today I'm going to be showing you a different way to start a crochet top-down hat than the magic circle. Now, some of the ladies in my crochet club really don't like the magic circle. They just kind of, it feels too complicated and fiddly for them. So here is a different way. What we are going to do is start with a regular slip knot, and we're going to snug it tight on our hook. Then we can chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to slip stitch to that very first chain. So I'm just going to kind of stick my hook in wherever I want because I like to live dangerously like that. And we're going to slip stitch through here to join it in the round. Now you see this creates a nice little hole in there that we can crochet into. We'll just need to add some height for a turning stitch. I'm going to do a 12 double crochet hat, so we're going to chain 2. And then I'm going to work my 12 double crochet all into this hole. So we're going to yarn over, put your hook through there and bring up a loop, yarn over, complete your double crochet. And we're going to keep doing that all the way around. There's 2. I actually kind of also want to bring up, it's a lot easier in my opinion if you work over this stitch. You can do a lock loop end like I do, but for this hat I'm just going to pull it apart in a second, so I really don't want to lock that loop down. And just keep going around. Almost done. How many do we have? I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now that we have 12 double crochet, we're going to slip stitch. And there you have your first row. Now, personally, I don't like the little hole that leaves at the top of the hat. I have tried doing a couple different other ways that I am going to show you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that this helps you out if you don't really like making the magic circles. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to show you another way that you can start a top-down crochet hat in my next video. Have a wonderful day, guys.